Yeah, Weji, me back again. Have a new style in a like come again. Yeah, come again. When me say yo, musiti come again. Yeah, come again. Didn't last tell us about that again, yeah. Come again.
A picture in heaven. Why did you do us? It sounds so wrong. We asking, we aching. The good are young, but you're too young and we saying too soon. Cause oh God, this is your song. Is there heaven for talent? Yeah, we're silent, yeah. Now I wish you never died. I wish I did a song with you.
Mr. P.
Rest in peace.
Mafunyeta nali strong, kana good you gone. I didn't believe someone didn't vandili nditi soni. Masumpenya akufika pa channel low. Lelo atataona watega maso. How could you die pamene makolo wako analasa na malise kulila sister wako. How could you die, leave us alone in this world? All I can say is we miss you. Yeah, God knows.
Zovuda dukulu biladi kudidi madule wapitadi. Nanga ndichani chochita dife chatiso wadi. Pena dumabo nanga tidiwe yongo diye sadi. Mpaka na pano dipadi bedi mozi yemwedi ya kufetadi. Ziko lidi na luzadi mutudi wofunikadi. Kwa mabezina lage ndiluso zakala mpaka kaledi. Matafale, vikmale, gifi ndi musamude. Chonde mlandeni, maluliyo musamude.
Watisi ya achisoni manja alinkosi. Ghetto youth ndimba wanji nili ndimi sonzi. Wadila kwila ine ni blaze, yes. Tunatanzige wango choka wati pasa laziness. Wati tawa wala kwita mafunyeta. Tinkaseka na welelo ifeta kumata. Luso lako walisia samaliza. Sunga iwalike infa ya tijitankaza. Ina nilindega wa matai. Misozi. Yeso wa mtontozi. Semwanga wa tatai. Nilindega wa matai. Misozi. Sawa mtontozi.
When me say yo, musiti come again. Mafunyeta, would you please come again? Iwe kungo duo dango yambo bang again. We need to come again, come again. Banyu nango duo atisana menye olo singo. Kungo duo sana kwa nilisi la kolingo. Bano jigulira wasamoka wapatiko. Chikada kondwera chikada guduta chiko.
Mtima wanga ndiwo swega. Kukui wanazo satega. Wapita mbale waluso. Wangoti siya ife ni mafuso. Habale tachita jenga. Ukutu gona banji weka. Tisowa za kontabala. Kumabatiwa zose rasafara. Ina nilindaga wa matai. Misozi. Yeso wa mtonto. Mafunyeta way.
It's hard losing someone close to you, cause you never know what you're supposed to do. When that person is gone, I feel for his fam at home. I just wish that you would come back again. Cause some of us never even got to meet you. Some of us never even got to greet you. But we all feel the loss of you now. Why did you have to go?
Ulidemanya si chisoni we zipata zose zinaliza